Baguio viewers, welcome dito sa Carante Street kung saan ang kulay, koneksyon at purong pagkamalikhain ay sumasabog para sa kauna-unahang Kasyana Community Painting. Nandito kami mula 9 a.m. hanggang 4 p.m. Pinagdiriwang ang diwa ng Kasyana. Optimismo kahit na nagiging mahirap ang mga bagay-bagay. Tumingin sa paligid, mayroon tayong mga local na artist, kamanghang-manghang, miyembro ng komunidad, at ang mga kaibigan mula sa Art Hills Incorporated at Autism Hearts Philippines na lahat ay lumilikha ng isang napakalaking kolektibong obra maestra. Huwag lamang manood, samahan ang saya at mag-iwan ng marka sa malikhaing kwento ng Baguio. Maligayang pagpipinta, Baguio 2025 Creative Baguio. Bakit mahalaga para sa lokal na pamahalaan na suportahan ang mga kaganapan sa sining na nakabatay sa komunidad tulad ng Kasyana na nagtataguyod ng pagkakaisa at pagiging inklusibo ng lipunan.
True colors. So I'd like to congratulate the organizers, those behind this art jamming today. This is a perfect activity for the people of Baguio to express themselves through what they call use or colors. So we come from different sectors and from different age groups. Although nakikita ko yung mga the younger generation are here, the future of Baguio. So let us follow the concept na binigay sa atin ngayon. I understand Architect Tuque, one of the best architects sa Hukok in SLE. And of course Melan and the rest of the gang, of course Maricar and everybody nandito for this very momentous event. So let us paint, enjoy the day and give our best. Okay ba yan? Yeah. Deal or no deal? Okay, so let's make a deal. Let's express the best of our creativity through this event today. Magandang araw sa ating lahat.
Yay! Saksihan ang Magic Unfold, ang kauna-unahang Kasyana Community Painting ng Baguio ay live sa Carante Street hanggang 4 p.m. Maging bahagi ang makulay na obra maestra na ito at yakapin ang Kasyana optimismo sa pamamagitan ng sining.
Welcome to our community project of Art Hills, where we are going to do a snap on a mural. The concept behind is taken from the same title, Kasyana, meaning to say it's alright, everything will be fine, just paint. Paint like without making reservations, paint like it will be okay, don't worry about the outcome. Just apply our colors, be the colors with us. Please paint like the colors doing. Thank you.
Ito pong ginawa nating Kasyana na community art painting is in collaboration po with Autism Heart Society, Art Hills Incorporated, Pasakali Group of Artists, and different volunteers po for the Baguio Festival. So, yun po, when we talk about Kasyana, saying that all will be well, given our situation now, I think we would just want to extend this message to the community. The activity is community-based, so kahit po hindi artists, they're more than welcome to join the painting. So just saying na art is for everyone, and we are just happy that our local government invited us to be a part of the Baguio Festival.
In the heart of Baguio, a UNESCO Creative City, the Baguio Creative Festival 2025 celebrates the enduring spirit of the Cordilleras. This year's theme, Traditions Rooted, Futures Rooted, challenges us to look forward without forgetting where we came. Ang proyektong ito ay naglalayong isama ang pag-asa na yun na pakipagtulungan sa Art Hills Incorporated at Autism Hearts Philippines upang patunayan na ang sining ay isang landas tungo sa kagalingan at mas matatag na komunidad. Paano ang Kasiana Community Painting Event ay isang direktang pisikal na pagpapahayag ng Baguio 2025 na ang tema, mga tradisyong nag-uugat, kinabukasan na rota. Collaboration is the heartbeat of Kasiana. Local artists, but the masterpiece belong to the people. Every stroke, every color, every shared moment is a thread strengthening the social fabric of the city. This is not just about painting, it's about connection, co-creation, and belongingness. Bakit mahalaga para sa lokal na pamahalaan na suportahan ang mga kaganapan sa sining na nakabatay sa komunidad tulad ng Kasiana na nagtataguyod ng pagkakaisa at pagiging inklusibo ng lipunan. Sa gabay ng Art Hills Incorporated, ang pagpipinta ay nagiging isang prosesong therapeutic sa loob ng isang oras. Ginagalugan ng mga kalahok ang kanilang mga pagkamalikhain, tinatamasa ang emosyonal at mental na benepisyo ng pagpapahayag ng sarili. Ito ay isang espasyo kung saan pinahalagaan ang kontribusyon ng bawat tao, lalo na ang mga mula sa marginalized na sektor. Ano naman ang kahalagaan ng kaganapan bilang isang kauna-unahang pagpipinta ng komunidad para sa Baguio? Anong uri ng pagbabago ang naidudulot ng ganitong uri ng aktibidad? Paano itinataguyod ng partikular na katangian
This
ng
design is a large mural, a collection of smaller works by different artists from the community as well as non-artists to be presented as a modular design for Kasiana.
Magandang hapon sa inyo. We're here with the Baguio J Crayons and say your name first.
I am Andrew Crayon. I am Shanticia Sinula.
I'm Princess Garcia.
I'm Zoe Alexi Munique.
I'm Hazel Estacio.
And I'm Rayjan Tamayo. And yung mga kasama namin, parating pa lang. Welcome po dito sa Kasiana Community Painting. Isa sa celebration ng Baguio, wherein Baguio J Crayons has been a part for this event. And itong team na to, we are showcasing culture and love for performing arts, not only in visual arts. Itong Kasiana na to, we are very proud that we are part of this event. The Art Hills, together with Ma'am Melan, Sir Eros, and Architect Dulte, and lahat-lahat po ng mga kasama namin to make this possible. And syempre sa inyo, si Sir Arnold, talagang sa support sa art din is you're always being there together with LBY, syempre our counselor na sumusuporta sa sining na to. And please catch us later. Again, we will have a performance Dito po tayo ngayon sa Carante Street. And come, paint with us, join with us, makisaya. And let's celebrate art. Thank you so much.
Okay.